I'm quite well.
Yes, I'm doing good,
Fantastic.
Preeti. Yes.
So, how was your day
Okay.
today?
Yeah, day was very busy. Some guests has come to my house. So now they have gone somewhere. So in
Okay.
between I thought of connecting with you. Yeah.
Yeah, whenever like some guest comes at my any home, like we are, they will be scheduled for whole day. We are not getting the time, right, out of
No,
this.
not at all. Not at all. Yes.
Right,
From
yes.
morning up to late night will be keep on working something or the other.
Yes, yes, right. Because it's
So
happened with
now
me
I
also.
thought it's the best opportunity to talk to you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you so much for having me, for giving this wonderful opportunity so that I can create a good content for my viewers. So actually, I want to learn so many things from you because you are experienced person, can say. Like we have to learn from the older person, like who have a good experience from
Yes.
their life. So I would like to have some questions for you, but let's start to the introduction part. Then we will jump on the topic.
Ah,
It's not
yes.
topic, it's a casual conversation.
Okay. So
Yes,
I
ma'am.
need my introduction, right?
Yes, yes. In nutshell, you have to introduce yourself.
Okay, if you want to give your, you can start with your
Yes, 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 yes.
introduction.
Yes, as you know, my name is Preeti and I'm a mother of two kids as well. And I will talk about my academic part. So I have completed MBA. Previously, I was working as a financial advisor, but recently I'm running my YouTube channel. And apart from that, I was upskilling myself by my YouTube channel because YouTube channel is the great way to enhance your communication skill. So that is why I started my YouTube channel, and I was working as a sub broker also in Angel One, but last 4 to
Okay.
5 months I quit because I was thinking I have to be upskills, then I will start something else. So my kids are going to the for the long time, their school will be, so that is why I quit it. Yes, that is
Okay,
pretty much
that's
about me.
wonderful, wonderful. Okay. So if I if I give my introduction, so you know my name is Alka
Yes.
and I hail from Lucknow, it's the capital of UP. Okay, my academic background, I master's in English. Yeah, if I talk about my hobbies, I love to read and listen to music when I feel stressed out. And yeah, I'm playing chess when I get a partner to play with me. And yeah, of course, interacting with different people is my favorite hobby these days. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, great to know here about you. Like you are the chess player also. So how you learn the
Yes, I
chess
love to
playing?
play. Yes, I love to play. Yes,
So how you
yes.
learn, like by your family, like by your surrounding people, by your husband. So you how you learn this activity?
Okay, you know, my father taught me when I was in class fourth.
Okay.
So initially, when I learned this game, so I used to play with my father, and you know, knowingly he would every time when I used to play with him to make me happy. He tried to, yeah. So he tried to lose the game, you know, anyhow,
Yes, 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 yes.
just to
But
make me happy. You know,
yeah, yes, yes.
parents are like that. You know, they feel
Right, right.
happy when we are happy. Yeah.
Definitely, ma'am. Because I was thinking like how to learn because many people they are knowing the chess. So I think this is the mind creativity because when you are
Yes.
using the like when you are playing the chess, that time your mind is
Yeah.
also creativity going on,
Yes,
right?
mind is, yes, it is created. Yeah. You know, it's a very, what to say, mind occupying game, and even the time of yours. You know how the time quickly flies when you are involved in the game.
Right.
Somebody is ringing the call bell also, you won't hear the bell also if somebody is
Yeah.
calling at the door.
Right, right.
Yeah,
Absolutely
we are
correct.
so much engrossed in it. Yeah.
But
So I
it's
love to
a
play, but
yes,
yeah.
it's a good thing like to engage our mind and we are also thinking creativity, right?
Ah, yes, of course. But it's been long, I'm not getting anyone to play. And like people say you can play online, but I don't love playing online.
Okay.
No. Yeah, yeah.
Yes, I used to play only what can say it's a Ludo, but I don't use. But I
Okay.
know how to play. Like there is a ghoda, I think horse. There's is the I think riding for 1.5 like that and 2.5, right?
Yes, yes, half, yes, half. Okay, you are talking about chess. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes, yes. I know
So
a little bit.
now you've forgotten the game. Have you forgotten?
Yes, no, actually, I didn't learn that game. I didn't play that game, but yeah, I know some
Okay, you
kind of
know a
things.
little bit.
Yeah,
Okay.
I know a little bit about that. Okay, so
Okay.
ma'am, we will discuss about some questions for you. So, like,
Yeah.
I will get some knowledge from you. So that is why I have some questions for you. So, shall I start? deep dive on
Ah,
that.
yes, yes,
Okay.
yes.
So,
You
ma'am,
can.
what would you say? Like, you have a very good experience of your life. So, what would you say? Should we build up our property for our children, or should we give the good education of our children?
Okay, me my property, land that
Yeah,
that
yeah, yeah,
property.
right, right.
Okay,
Because
okay,
many
okay,
people,
okay.
parents are confusing about that. They are just building up their property for their children, but they are not thinking about their. They think, okay, we have to be settled down by the building, by the property. If they have a property, so they are not moving here and there like without the home. So, what would you think about? I would just like to
No,
ask
no,
your
no.
perspective.
If we are giving the best of education to our children,
Yeah,
they can earn a lot. They can earn a lot in their life, and they can purchase. They can buy any land, any property. If we are giving the best of education, and I think every parent they give they educate their children in the best possible way, right?
right.
So, but yeah, but still, if we give education to our parents, spite of giving them education, still parents want to give their property to their children.
Right.
You know, but nowadays it has become a bone of content. Bone of content is like लड़ाई झगड़े की जड़ होती है ना. So
Okay.
it
Yeah.
yeah. So bone of contention is that it has become like that. So,
Right.
but we should divide the property equally to every children of ours. And nowadays, even girls are getting the share of their parents.
Right.
You know. So, what I feel is it if the parents are capable and the parents are like rich enough, they can definitely share their property among their children. You know. Yeah, but it's not that compulsion that you have to share if you don't have like not that huge amount of property. And if don't have some like some parents I've seen still they are struggling. They don't have so much of property themselves. But yeah, if they have spent all their money in educating the children, and they don't have that property. But
Right.
if you have given the best education to the children, and what I think is that children can own their property in their life.
Absolutely
Yeah.
correct. Because
Yeah.
it's my perspective is that about that like if you are giving the good education of your children, that is the great way to enhance their skills and their independency. Because how it comes when we are giving the good education. So I think we
Right.
don't create the building and we don't think about to the purchasing more and more home. We have to think like you have to sufficient occupied like what wherever you are living you have to some space for that is enough for you, but you don't think about to expand more buildings and more property. There is no
That
need.
is not necessary. Yeah. Actually, it's not that necessary. What I feel at this age, like what age is mine. So what I feel is that at this age you can enjoy your life,
Right.
because earlier you had the responsibility of your children.
Yes.
Okay, but at this age you can enjoy your life, go wherever you want to. Like in India, there are many places to explore. If you want to go abroad, then can go abroad as well. Because earlier, parents are under the pressure of educating their children.
Right.
They don't have time. They don't spend all their money in the education of their children. But at this age, I can feel is that spend much for yourself. And of course, the parents should when the couple becomes older. From that time, they have to you know s- they have to keep the saving somewhere.
Right.
Because when needed, we never know at this age what kind of circumstances can happen anytime. We are not aware of that. So for that you have to keep money sufficiently, insufficient balance. I mean to say, yeah.
Right, right. Because you have some
Yeah.
amount, so definitely like we can live easily our life. There is no need to about
Yeah.
to the children like because when children will be grown up, like your children is already grown up, so they are doing their
Yeah.
job. They have their own responsibility.
Yes.
So why we should
Ah.
expect from them like they have to do something for ourselves? So first think that like when you are become older, so that time you have to arrange your money, like you have to invest something else. So like in retirement you are getting the money from there and you can live your life in a great way.
Yes, yes. And if the older people are getting pension, then it's well and good. But there are some couples who don't have even pension. So
Yeah.
they have to depend on their children,
Yes.
right? Yeah, but children also should be concerned about the parents, because parents had done a lot in their life for their children.
Right.
And when the children grow up, it's their duty to look after their parents, right?
Right.
So yeah, it's vice versa. They both have
Yes.
to like, yeah, yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Can you say something about your childhood life, because I didn't experience about your childhood life, so I want to know
Okay,
about your
okay.
childhood memory, any memories, whatever in your mind.
Okay. In my childhood memories, what I remember is that between my siblings, what I remember is that between my siblings, we used to fight a lot, like I was the elder one and I have two younger brothers. So I would tell my parents every time, why there's not a girl child of yours? I'm alone, why don't you have one girl?
Okay.
Because then she will become my partner in the crime, and these both the brothers, they can be together. Because sometimes I'm left alone because they become a pair like
Yeah.
boy and boy. Yes. And
Right.
yeah, so for that, So I used to sometimes I used to feel lonely in a kind,
Okay.
So yeah, and one more thing I remember in my childhood that I was very much meticulous about things, Like my house should be spick and span. There should be no dust seen anywhere. So I
Hmm.
used to fight a lot with my brothers
Okay, because
only
they
for
are
this reason.
messy their
And they
home.
both used to tell me one thing I remember still, and sometimes when I'm sitting alone and those things I recall in my mind, I really feel happy about this, and sometimes I feel why those days are gone, when I was a child.
Right.
So so what they used to tell me is better when you get married. So that time we can do whatever we wish to.
Right.
I'll keep my bag here, my shoes will be here. No one to give me scolding and all that. So I remember, like we used to fight. I think no brother and sister can, no sibling can say that they have never fought.
It's not possible,
So
like
like
ma'am, like
it's
we can
not possible.
yeah, so whenever like
Yeah.
you have a sibling, so actually I'm having two kids, so they are always fighting, like if any toys
Yes.
we have one, so they are fighting for that only. If they have
Yes,
more
it
toys, so they
happens.
are not fighting for them.
And they fight, for those silly things, like
Yeah.
they say, yeah, why this, and about the eatings or whatever we are serving our children, they say you have given him large amount of
Right.
share. Why you have given a large
Yes.
amount of ice cream, not to me, and these kind of
Right.
on petty issues, they both will fight, children. So there are many things we still remember. Even we used to fight in our childhood.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
it's with everyone. I think every sibling they fight. Yeah.
I also fight when I was child. That time I also fight with my brother. So like we are fighting for the Maggie. Actually, whenever I make the Maggie, so
Okay.
I just gave to them and
Yes.
take to me, took to me. Then he said that you are taking too large amount and you are giving a small amount to
Ah,
me.
yes, of course. For these silly things, now we remember, and all those things makes us laugh sometimes sitting alone and remembering those things.
Yeah.
Yeah, so, and even what I think is that even parents, when the children are young, what I feel now is that the children should never, of course, children, they scold their children, but never raise your hands on your children, never.
Right. Because
Because, when they grow into adults, they'll always remember that you have slept, you have given him a slap and all those things. But it's not good. I've never done this in my life with my children. And I really tell every parents not to do this.
right.
When my sister-in-law, my husband's younger sister, and in the vacation when she used to come to my place, like in her parents' house.
Yes.
So when my sister-in-law used to come, she used to thrash her children, very badly. So
Okay.
I used to tell her, yeah, when you come here, I don't want to see you slapping your children because I
Right.
don't like it. And even I never do this. And because when these children, they are so innocent. So when they grow into adults, they will remember this what you have done to them.
Absolutely, ma'am.
So yeah, better love them and give good care to them. And yeah, you can like with a only glance of your eyes, they should have that kind of a fear.
Yes. I
Right.
also used to
Yeah.
like whenever my kids are fighting and something is they are making noise. So that time I used to just close to them in the washroom. Like I said to them, like I just left
Yeah.
to anyone else. Like I just try to close in the washroom. I said when
Yeah,
you are
yeah, that
doing
is okay.
again you are doing that kind of thing, then I will I will slap you. But I just make them a fear. Like if you have a fear,
Yes, yes.
that is the great way to enhance growing your children. Because when we are
Yeah,
slapping, we are slapped to our children. That is not the great way to growing your children. Because they always think. But my younger son is always slapped from me because he is very naughty. Like he just always make the messy home. Like all the things is just drawing on the wall and all the things
Walls
he
and
just
all this.
message. That is why.
Yeah, let them do, Preeti. Like when they grow older, like when they grow into adults, you will always remember this
Yes.
time when you were living with the children. Because once they grow up now, so they go somewhere out to for their professional work, for their professional studies. So we have to, when that time, no, we will miss our children a lot.
Right.
So this is the best time when you are living with your children. So let them be naughty, let them do whatever they want to do.
Sometimes I
Yeah,
do.
because
I
it-
said, okay, you can do it. But sometimes I just left because my elder one is very sincere. But he is not doing any kind of that kind of things. But yeah, my younger one is very naughty. He just always messy and like he can see anything else. Like he just store it and just broken it everything. So I just
Younger one,
yeah,
younger one.
younger one.
How old is he? How old is he?
My younger one is 5 year old now. Like he will be turned about to 6 year in June.
So he is still very young. Yeah,
Yeah.
okay.
So
So this is the best time to be with your children.
yeah, that is why I'm at home. Like I try to find it out the ways to start earning by the home. I also started my YouTube channel for the upskilling. So that is why I'm also
Yes,
giving the
yes,
classes.
yes. Yeah. Your channel. I have gone through your channel and I had even subscribed to it.
Yes,
Yes,
thank
I
you so
remember.
much.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes. Do you have any questions, ma'am?
Yeah, questions. Only this one that when you started your channel, I want to know.
Yes.
Because you have a good number of subscribers, right?
Yeah.
And you have uploaded a few videos and you have a good number of subscribers. What I remember is that when I gone through your channel. So it's been how long then you created your channel?
I created my channel more than 4 months when I started to learn this language. So like who are having a conversation with me. So that time I try to say to them, you also subscribe my channel. So that way I got a subscriber, can say.
Yeah, we do this. Yeah, actually we do this. When we talk to any person for the first time,
Yeah.
and that is a mutual understanding. We
Yes.
both need to subscribe each other's channel.
Right, because we
Right.
all are the content creators, so we have to support each other.
Yes, exactly. Okay. So I think you have done with the session. I think 20 minutes.
Yes,
I think
ma'am.
more than 20.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for having me, for giving this wonderful opportunity.
And
It will
yeah,
be help
thank
for
you
the
also.
parents like who are growing their children, who have a good experience about their older ones, so they are
Yeah.
getting the knowledge from us.
Of course they will. Yes.
Thank
Okay,
you,
so
ma'am.
and then bye.
Yes.
Yes, bye, Preeti. Yes,
Bye,
bye.
ma'am.